Hello everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Thank you for joining me. Today, I want to talk about a very exciting topic. It's about surviving when you are in a foreign country, but you only know junior high school English. That might sound a little difficult, maybe even a bit scary. But I believe that everyone can handle it if they stay calm, brave, and smart. Today, I will share stories, ideas, and tips to help you feel confident and safe when you are far from home, with only basic English skills. Imagine you are somewhere new, maybe a big busy city, a small quiet village, or a sunny beach in another country. Everything looks new and different. The signs, the words people speak, the food, even the way people behave. It's normal to feel a little nervous or worried. But don't worry. Even with just some basic English, you can still enjoy your trip and stay safe. You just need to know a few important things, learn simple words, and remember to be kind. First, let's talk about the most important thing, staying calm. When you are in a new place and don't understand everything, it can be easy to panic. Maybe you lost your way, or you don't have the right change, or you don't know what the person next to you is saying. That's okay. The most important thing is to stay calm. When you breathe deeply and stay patient, it's easier to think and make good decisions. Often, when you are calm, helpful people will come to you and ask, "Are you okay?" Or "Can I help you?" Remember, most people around the world are kind, and they want to help someone who is friendly and polite. Next, I want to tell you about useful words and sentences. They can help you a lot in many situations. Even if your English is not perfect, a kind face and polite words can make a big difference. Here are some simple phrases that are very helpful. You can remember these and practice them. The first basic words are "excuse me," "please," "thank you," "sorry," "can you help me," and "where is." These are like magic keys. They open doors to help and kindness wherever you go. Let's imagine you're in a shop trying to buy something. You can say, "How much is this?" Or "What is the price?" If you want to ask where the bathroom is, just say, "Where is the toilet?" If someone is helping you, a simple "thank you very much" makes everyone happy. When you finish talking, don't forget to say, "Goodbye" or "See you later." These words show respect and kindness. People appreciate politeness around the world. Sometimes, when you don't understand what someone says, you can politely ask, "Can you say that again, please?" Or "Can you help me?" It's okay to ask questions. No one expects you to understand everything at once. People will be happy to help if you ask nicely. And if someone is explaining something to you and you still don't understand, you can ask, "Sorry, I don't understand. Can you explain more simply?" People really respect you when you try to learn and ask questions. Now, let's talk about directions. Maybe you want to go to a hotel, a shop, or a park. You can say, "Excuse me, where is?" Or "How do I get to?" If someone shows you the way, watch carefully or point at things to understand better. Sometimes, showing a picture or a map is very helpful. Many people understand body language very well. Smile and be polite. It makes it easier for others to help you. What about transportation? If you want to take a bus, train, or taxi, you can ask, "How much is a ticket?" Or "Where is the bus stop?" If you don't know how to say something, pointing at a map or showing the name of your destination can help. Remember, many countries have signs in English or pictures, so always look around carefully. And don't be afraid to ask for help. People love to help travelers who are polite. If you feel sick or feel unwell, it's very important to tell someone. You can say, "I don't feel well," or "I need help." If you hurt yourself, say, "I have pain here," or "I need a doctor." It's smart to learn a few health-related words, like medicine or water. Always tell someone if you need help. It's brave and good to ask. Most people in the world want to help someone who needs it. In case of an emergency, like losing your passport or your wallet, it's good to know what to say. You can say, "I lost my," or "Help me, please," or "I need the police." Stay calm and explain your problem simply. If you don't remember the words well, use gestures or point at what you need. Many countries have help desks or police officers who speak some English and will assist you. Being brave enough to ask for help in an emergency is very important. Making new friends when you are abroad can be very exciting. Even if your English is only a little, you can still be friendly. Smile and say, "Hello. What is your name?" Or "Can I play with you?" Or "Would you like to be my friend?" Simple words and a warm smile can help you connect with others. People are happy to meet new friends, especially if you are kind and polite. Don't worry about making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they learn new words. The most important thing is to be friendly. Sometimes, you might feel tired or want to rest. You can say, I am tired, or can I sit here? Or I need a break. It's okay to tell people how you feel. Taking care of yourself is very important when you are away from home. Remember, even in a new country, you should eat, sleep, and rest well. That way, you will have more energy to explore and enjoy. Now, when it's time to go back home after your trip, you will want to say thank you and goodbye. You can say, thank you very much for your help, or I had a great time. And don't forget to say, goodbye, see you again, or have a nice day. Being polite and friendly leaves a good memory of you. People will remember you as someone kind and respectful. That is very important in any country. I want to tell you something very important. Even if you only know some simple words or phrases, you can still do many great things. It's not about perfect English, but about your attitude, being polite, respectful, and kind. People around the world notice when someone is trying to do their best and speak kindly. When you show a friendly smile and say thank you, you can make friends and help yourself feel happy and safe. So, always be brave and try to communicate. Each time you speak a new word or ask a question, you become stronger. It's okay not to remember everything. Mistakes are okay, because they help you learn. The more you practice, the easier it gets. And remember, everyone wants to see someone who is kind and honest. That is the best way to survive and enjoy your time abroad. Traveling and living in a new place can be a wonderful adventure. You will meet many new friends, see beautiful things, and learn a lot about yourself. Every day is a new chance to be brave and kind. And each small step you take, even just saying hello or thank you, is a step forward. You are doing something big. You are exploring the world with your heart and your kindness. Thank you very much for listening to my stories today. I hope you learned something helpful. Remember, you can do wonderful things, even with just junior high school English. Keep smiling, keep trying, and never give up. The world is full of amazing places and kind people waiting for you. And I believe that you will do great things someday. Goodbye. Have a happy day. Keep your spirit bright and your heart kind, and your adventures will be full of joy.